In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the row formula in Google Sheets using a simple and practical method. First, understand this. Google Sheets has a function called ROW that returns the row number of a cell. Now, if you want to use the row formula, here's what to do. Click on an empty cell where you want the result. Type the formula equals row A2. Press enter. You'll instantly get the row number of that cell. If A2 is in row 2, the result will be 2. Now, if you want to apply this to multiple rows, drag the formula down. Each row will automatically update and show its own row number. If you want row numbers for a full range, just copy the formula down alongside your data. That's it. Using the row formula in Google Sheets is a quick way to identify or number rows, making your data easier to manage and organize.